So, digital banking. This is a new revolution in financial technology that is upon us right now. In this video, we're going to cover relatively quickly some major data points on what digital banking is, where it's headed, what demand or what's pushing or driving this major shift in the banking industry and banking technology. A little bit about the challenges that comes with banks and financial institutions trying to adopt and further roll out digital banking. And probably more importantly, we're going to talk more how this benefits you as a banking client and even bigger benefit to you as a potential investor. We're going to cover all of those in this video. This is JP from Blueprint for Prosperity, helping you to increase your network through relationship banking, maximizing your borrowing capacity, the proper use of life insurance, and the ownership of real estate. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm uploading content on a daily basis to help you customize your personal blueprint for prosperity. So I took some notes down for some various articles and research that I've done to compile this into a sensible, digestible video around a great revolution that's happening with digital banking, because I want you on top of these trends as somewhat of an early adopter, so you can not only be prepared as a customer as your financial institution starts to change, but also hopefully you'll take this as an opportunity to invest. We'll talk about that later on in the video. So first off, digital banking is going to refer to literally what it sounds like. It's going to be mostly focused around your digital, online, and mobile experience with your bank. This is going to be everything from, your ability to be able to check your deposits, your, different checking accounts, your statement balances, transfer money back and forth, and also as you get into more enhanced features like being able to check your credit, being able to look into financial markets and manage investing, so on and so forth. These are your digital banking features that you may already be exposed to, most likely at some of your institutions. And this is going to be where institutions are going to be highly focused in the current time and in the future, and enhancing this part of your banking experience in these different features. So a little bit about where it's headed. By 2028, global digital banking market size is estimated to surpass $10 trillion with a T. This is pushing the market from one that has only been made up of early adopters to one that is becoming a mass adoption for financial institutions and clients using these services. So whether it's a multi-million-dollar bank or a local credit union or institution, each one of these financial institutions are being pushed to basically invest in their digital banking platforms if they want to continue to stay competitive and stay alive at all in the near future. Banking customers, us, are evolving. They're looking for more digital features and digital benefits, more conveniences, and they're looking for more in the all-in-one platforms, which we're going to speak a little bit more about in length. 75% of banks and credit unions have launched digital transformation initiatives, with another 15% planning to do so this year as of 2023. This is huge, essentially meaning 90% of financial institutions around the country have made it their goal and their mission to enhance or further roll out their digital banking platforms. A little bit about the challenges that are there. First off, the obvious challenge is this is a time and money intensive investment. This is an extensive, cumbersome, and expensive venture for financial institutions, which leads to another major challenge, which is the profit and loss statement for these institutions. It becomes a challenge, a pressure point for the owners and the leaders of these organizations from a financial point of view. When you have such a major cost to invest in digital banking, these things have to make sense to shareholders. And if you're thinking credit unions, you're looking at members who are looking over these different profit and loss statements and looking for the justification for such a massive investment, and it creates a lot of pressure. The ongoing intensive task of increasing adoption for digital banking, though there are a major demand from clients and customers for these features, it is still a smaller portion of the market share, and you're trying to continuously get this out to more consumers to adopt this so that this feature can have better justification and use cases and allowing the evolution of this technology. So Banking is a very competitive and fast-paced environment. Right now, you have 35% of banking consumers or banking customers who point out digital banking as their primary source of contact with their financial institution. And believe it or not, this is 2022 data. As of 2021, this is a 22% increase in that adoption as a primary contact point with your banking relationship, your banking institution. So this is a huge trend that is going on in the banking space right now. And this is going to be a major opportunity, not only for the financial institutions that are pushing this out, but you as a banking client, and even bigger an opportunity for you as an investor if you're smart. So where are these financial institutions focused specifically within digital banking? Where they're looking to, of course, focus on security and safety, because the reality is that many clients are actually losing faith in their financial institution's ability to keep them safe when it comes to their banking data and banking information. You have so many breaches and leaks going on, and this is shaking consumer confidence or client confidence in the banking system. So safety and security is going to be important. Personalization is huge. It is a major trend. So those of you who are already banking with large institutions, these mega banks out there, you may already be seeing corners of the mobile and digital platform starting to roll these features out where you can pool all of your different banking accounts into one space in the app. Pool your investment and your deposit accounts into one place. Pool your business and personal banking information and account information in one place. You're also starting to see features roll out where you can completely combine your net worth and track your net worth in these digital apps. They're also going to be tracking your spending. They're going to be tracking other financial behaviors to tailor the experience to you. And this is going to be a bit intrusive, but the end product is going to come out with a lot more personalization and a lot more convenience and efficiency for you as the end user. So when you can think about offers, perks, and benefits that are not generic anymore, now when you start to see discounts and for your spending, when you have different deals that'll start to pop up, it'll be tailored around your spending habits, your financial behaviors, and these other bonus opportunities will be more tailored. So again, we'll have to adapt to the fact that these companies are keeping so much data on us. But on the flip side, this can be a tremendous opportunity for you to get a more enhanced banking relationship for your existing relationship, right? Meaning that you may not even have to increase your deposits or become a stronger customer to see more benefit from your financial institutions. When it comes to the next feature of the three major areas that they're focusing on, adjacent features. So this is going to be more like when you are doing your digital banking and you have the opportunity to not only manage your finances, but you can also do things like book travel, and other features that you can do that are usually completely separate entities, but you're now able to connect your banking to these different feature sets. Again, travel being one of the best examples of many of these major financial institutions allowing you to, earn rewards points or, have discounts from places you may already be spending money in the travel arena and allowing you to book travel directly through the mobile app of your banking app. This is a seamless feature connection that these banking institutions and financial institutions are looking to enhance going forward in 2023 and beyond. So you can already see some of the benefits here for you as a banking client. You see the ability to have a more seamless, convenient, safe, and efficient banking experience. On top of these institutions continuing to invest in their in-person banking experience, because again, banking is extremely personalized. Finances are extremely personalized. And yes, being able to access and conduct all of these functions on your digital app is going to be an amazing benefit, but it still is a huge feature set and value to be able to walk in and sit down with a human being who can help you process all this information and make the best use case out of your digital banking and your overall banking experience. So as a banking client, you are going to see massive benefits start to roll out in the coming years, in the next 5, 7, 10 years down the line when it comes to digital banking and our overall banking experience. When you think about some of these credit unions who already offer such a diverse loan portfolio, more personalized service because they're smaller institutions who appreciate your business and often offer better deposit rates because of the way the institutions are structured to reinvest back into their members of their institution, you can start to see now where they'll allow you more functionality and abilities to transfer your money back and forth where you can't see that currently. Many of these great small corners, financial institutions like your credit unions and small local banks that are on the corners, because they're so small, many of them don't allow you the functionality to pass your money back and forth in different places. You don't have that, convenience to move around the way you need to move, but they offer tremendous value in product diversity, personalized experience, and better deposit rates and interest rates on your loans. So imagine the ability to have more of this in one place. Your bigger banks and institutions allowing you more of a cohesive banking structure where you can start to put together all of your different assets, banking features, and track your investments, track your liabilities all in one place. Tremendous value to come down the line in this digital banking evolution that we have rolling out in front of us. Now, to close out this video, probably the greatest opportunity here is going to be for investors. Those of you who are already clients of these major institutions, those of you who are already familiar in investing in value adding companies and opportunities, the banking sector and the finance sector is going to see a significant growth as this technology continues to evolve. When you think about AI, artificial intelligence, when you think about all these different things enhancing in the next handful of years, all of this being input and integrated into your banking experience, you're going to see significant increases in valuations and earnings for these banks and different institutions whom are publicly traded. Those of you who are already banking at some of these major conglomerates and major institutions, if you're not already invested in these institutions, you need to be getting in. Do your research, check the price to earnings, check the analysis, look at these institutions top to bottom, or work with an advisor who can help you do this, because you don't want to miss these opportunities. These are the type of opportunities where you can start to see massive portfolio growth if you catch a handful of the right companies on an upward trajectory. This is the type of transformation that makes new millionaires. Knowing that these opportunities are coming out and having an understanding of them. And listen, if you as a consumer or a client are enjoying a feature, or you're enjoying a company, you're enjoying the services, the features and benefits of a particular company, you have to believe that there are other people out there like you who do, and you need to start investing in these opportunities. If you're banking with one of these publicly traded companies, which most of you are, you need to be assessing the health of that financial institution, because these types of trends are going to be major valuation increases for these institutions. Even the bigger ones who are already blue chip style companies are going to start to see significant growth in their bottom line, because these types of efficiencies are going to eventually get rolled out on a massive scale. And it's going to be an amazing opportunity for earnings for these companies, and they're going to distribute these earnings amongst those who rode the wave up with them, the investors who rode the wave up with them. So I'm just encouraging you, even if you're new to this, if this is not something that, investing on this type of level is new to you, take this information, do a little bit of your own research, find a trusted financial expert, a financial advisor, financial planner who can help you make sense of this and get in on this opportunity. There's ETFs, mutual funds that are packed with banking sectors, financial sectors. You don't have to expose yourself to one company, though that could be the greatest opportunity if you can find a company that can make significant strides. Just going into a basket of companies that are in the banking and finance space, this could be a tremendous investment opportunity in the next 3, 5, 7 to 10 years. Don't say I didn't tell you anything. Jump in now while it's early. I appreciate it bringing you this content. I want you to comment down below. Let me know what you think about this topic, the trends that you're seeing in technology and finance, fintech, financial technology. Where do you see this going for your banking experience? Are you going to jump in on this investment opportunity? Let us know what you're thinking. Let us know what your concerns are. Let us know how we can extrapolate on this topic on a deeper level. As always, I enjoy bringing you this content. I want y'all to continue to stay focused, stay in motion. I'll see y'all soon.